Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on CapCut. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use green screen on CapCut, so please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open the CapCut app on your device and tap New Project. Select any video and tap Add. So to add the green screen, tap Overlay. Add Overlay and select the green screen effect that you want to use. I recorded my screen and trimmed the video to get the green screen effect. So tap Add. Make sure that only the green screen is seen. So crop the edges. Tap Done. Now tap Chroma Key and place it over the green. Increase the intensity. Tap Done. And that's how you use green screen on CapCut. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.